Mented just came out with a new concealer, so you know we gotta test this out. Okay, now this is supposed to be a full coverage concealer. So I'm just gonna place this everywhere that I would put concealer. So the shade that I picked up is the shade CEO. I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend this in. It's definitely a full coverage concealer. It's looking so good right now. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, so this concealer definitely covers. Now let's see how it does when you set it with the setting powder. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous this side of my face looks. Okay, Mented, I see you. Okay, so here is the makeup look, okay? And I am loving the coverage on this concealer. It's a really, really nice concealer. And if you guys are looking for a black-owned brand to support, I would definitely check out Mented. They have some really, really bomb staple products that I just absolutely love. This new concealer is definitely Tatiana Nisa approved.